NAB shares plummet after profit missed its target. The WA rare earths discovery that sent shares surging. And a backlash over the cost of King Charles' coronation. Trading Up, a collaboration by The West Australian and Grapher. The National Australia Bank reported a first half profit of just under $4 billion, but it just wasn't enough. Analysts were expecting a number a bit higher, which pushed NAB shares lower. The NAB was among the worst on the ASX today, along with the rest of the big four banks. CBA, ANZ and Westpac all sold off in today's trading session. The banks were sold off in the back of a rate hike in the US overnight. There's concern America's economy could be heading for a crash landing after the Federal Reserve raised interest rates again overnight by 25 basis points. Federal Reserve Chair spooked global markets with talk that a recession could be ahead. Meanwhile, Australia's central bank is under fire for the cost of a dinner at Fraser's in Kings Park for more than 130 guests. The ritzy dinner was held the night after the RBA raised interest rates and inflicted pain on already struggling borrowers. Rio Tinto has told shareholders at its AGM today in Perth that it's still bullish on demand from China for steel. The company's chair said the market has underappreciated the extent to which China will need steel in its shift to renewable technologies. He said that while China's urbanisation was the driver of steel demand in recent years, the country still needs a lot of steel for decarbonisation. Still to come, the King's coronation amid a cost of living crisis, and the rare earths find in WA that sends a junior miner soaring. Stay tuned. Gold miner Newcrest said it's ready to agree to Newmont's $29.4 billion takeover offer. Newcrest CEO Sherry Dewey told a conference in Sydney today that Australia's largest gold miner is prepared to accept the offer from the American gold miner. Still in the world of proposals, and healthcare company Healius has rejected a hostile takeover bid from Australian Clinical Labs. Australian Clinical Labs is about half the size of Healius, and the rules of the jungle tell you it's hard to eat something double your size. So how much does it cost to crown a king? It could be anything up to about $180 million. And at a time where Britain is grappling with cost of living pressures.
Not my king! 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 Not my king!
A poll found more than half of Britons don't believe that taxpayers should be footing the bill to put the golden crown on King Charles. #NotMyKing is now trending on social media, and many are saying the wealthy king should dip into his own pocket to fund his coronation. And how is this for striking pay dirt? Shares of Caspian Resources surged 13.5% today after the company announced it's found significant rare earth elements at its Mount Squires project in WA. Rare earths are used in a whole range of modern-day electric devices. You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au, or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapher.com. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Sarah Hughan. See you next time.